Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add your YouTube channel link to your Instagram bio. First you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and it's going to take you to your Instagram bio. And once you're over here, you need to click on the three line at the top right and click on where it says settings. From inside settings, go on where it says preferences. Scroll a bit down and click on preferences. And from preferences at the bottom, click on switch account type. From over here, it's going to show you two options, business account and creator account. But since my account is already a creator account, it's not showing me that option. But make sure you switch your account into a creator account or a business account because you can only add link on creator or business account. Alright, now once you switch your account into a creator or a business account, what you want to do is close Instagram and open YouTube and search for your YouTube channel. Once you search for your YouTube channel, go inside your YouTube channel. And once you're inside your YouTube channel, at the top right, you can see the three dots. Click on it and click on where it says share at the bottom and click on copy. Now once you copy the link of your YouTube channel, just open up your Instagram again and click on edit profile. From edit profile, you can see this option called links. Click on link and at the top, click on where it says add external link and paste the link which you just copied from YouTube. And at the bottom, write the name of your YouTube channel, or you can just give it any name. I'm going to give it YouTube channel. I'm going to click on done at the top right. And I'm going to go back and click on done again at the top right. And as you guys can see, my YouTube channel link is being displayed over here. I can click on it and it's going to take me to my YouTube channel just like this. So that's how you guys can add your YouTube channel link to your Instagram bio. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.